Latest on superstar Rajnikant's political plunge, and this morning he held a meeting with district secretaries to discuss the way forward. However, an announcement was expected shortly. He did make a statement, but he said it would take him more time. Well, let's go across to Sam Daniel for the latest. Sam, so just what did Rajnikant say when he addressed the media?
3 points, Gargi. One, he says that he will announce his decision very soon. And during the meeting with the district secretaries, he says that both sides exchange information, and the secretaries have decided or agreed to abide by whatever decision he would take in terms of his decision for or against the political plunge. The interesting point is, last time we were made to understand that he would take a call after this particular meeting, and the larger picture, of course, is he is yet to make up his mind. He has not made that decision and any announcement regarding that decision today. But probably we can expect anytime soon. There is no time frame mentioned. It gains importance with what he had said last time in October, saying that doctors have advised him not to go for open campaigning in Tamil Nadu, where elections are due in the month of May, particularly taking into account his health condition following the renal transplant he underwent, and also taking into account the risk factors in this pandemic time. And he said whatever that particular leaked information with respect to his health condition was true, but regarding his political decision, he said he would decide only after this particular meeting. So again, fans and his followers are waiting, hoping that there would be some kind of announcement soon, but there is no clarity on his political plunge yet. He says that he would announce it as early as possible. So the wait continues in that sense, Gargi.
All right. So, Sam, the speculation, the thought that we would know today for sure whether there's indeed going to be another political party ahead of the state elections, that suspense continues, with Rajnikant saying that, he's still going to make that decision. So today, essentially what happened was that he held thorough discussions with all his district heads of his outfit.
That's right. There were around 40 district heads from the Rajani Makkal Mandram, his forum actually, which if he decides to launch a political party, well, ultimately that would become a political party. That's the understanding. And there was some kind of exchange of ideas, and around 40 of them had come. No clarity on what exactly he spoke or what they said, but Rajnikant said they have agreed to abide by whatever decision he would take. There are unconfirmed reports that Rajnikant was upset about the functioning of some party secretaries, and there could be change in district secretaries later. All these are in the realm of speculation. There is no confirmed information on whether he spoke this clearly, and that he also had told them that he would make the announcement in the month of January. But all these things we are not able to confirm. But these are hearsay coming from people who attended the meeting, but nobody is able to for sure confirm it. But going with what Rajnikant has said, we'll have to wait. It could be as early as January or as early as December, we don't know. But he says the secretaries have decided to abide by whatever decision he takes. This gains importance because there were also posters put up immediately after his earlier announcement asking him to make the plunge. And even today, we found posters saying it's now or never.